Hi guys, Carl with MarineMax. Today I'm going to show you the Grady-White Canyon 306. It's brand new to us, just got on the floor, and we're going to start with probably the most famous and well-known part of the Grady-White, which is that CV2 hole. Starting in the stern of the boat, it's a moderate dead rise, but as you work your way forward, it's a steady increasing dead rise, always giving you the best ride possible in the industry. And that's all the way to the bow. Grady is known for their ride to be the best in the industry, and that is the reason why, the CV2 hole. All right, as you can see, the 306 is powered by twin Yamaha 300. The new redesigned Yamaha engine looks very sleek in the water. Plenty of horsepower to get this thing on plane and to get out there in a good distance. You got the tuna door in the back bringing you into the rear of the boat, and then you're also going to have the Grady staple, which is the fish box in the stern. Nice big for those big fish you plan on bringing on board. Extra seating in the rear here, easily put away for whenever you're wanting to use it for fishing purposes and offloading and onboarding and offboarding. You got the side door as well. Making our way a little bit forward, sink, built-in sink, and another live well for bait and what have you. All right guys, here in the helm, you got the joystick already installed here. Of course, Grady will leave this open for you with your electronics so that you can outfit it the way that you like with the company that you like, Garmin, Raymarine, or what have you. Fusion radio, Bluetooth compatible, dual captain's chairs here. And what you're going to have is storage throughout, big subwoofer speakers underneath the two captain's chairs as well. Plenty of cup holders to make you more comfortable while on the ride. And then we'll work our way to the head here and see the storage that provides you. Now in the head, you see the full porcelain toilet there, the teak accents, sink with the nozzle that pulls out to also double as a shower, all self-draining. Your batteries are located in your storage compartment in there as well, but you got nice height in there. 6 foot tall gentleman would fit perfectly. And so plenty of space and plenty of storage to fit inside the head area there as well. All right, moving our way up front here, you got the flush mount railings. That's going to keep you stable if you plan on walking around while in tow there. We got the seats down right now in the bow filler with the cushions on, but of course if we take all this off, you got a nice casting platform as well and a little bit more space to walk around. Dual lounger right in front of the helm, and then as you can see, if you do have the cushions down for those days you want to lounge or entertain at the island or what have you, you got a backrest here. Very easy to put back and sets back to become part of your knee rest if you needed to, if you're back fishing. LED lighting throughout the boat, and more importantly than anything, it's a Grady-White. Reputation is very well known, best ride in the industry. You can't beat it. Come in, take a look at this boat today. My name's Carl. My cell phone number is 334-695-6035, and I look forward to showing you this boat.